In this video, we'll discuss some tools that are built into your iPad that will help provide auditory assistance. We'll start in Settings and then go down to the Accessibility tab. From here, we'll scroll down to Audio and Visual. We can enable mono audio. Usually, if mono audio is off, you may hear different sounds in the left side of the headphone or the right side of the headphone. If we enable mono audio like we did here, you'll hear the same sound in both sides of the headphones. If you have a hearing device with Bluetooth capability, you can add it here. Subtitles and captioning will enable closed captions when they're available. You can also change the style, whether you want to have a transparent background, larger text, or you can even modify your own style. That's it for this video. In this video, we learned some tools that are available on your iPad to provide auditory assistance.